Meet John Miller, a 50-year-old man with kind blue eyes and short graying hair. He's tall, slightly broad-shouldered, and often wears his favorite navy blue sweater and beige trousers. John lives in a quiet suburban neighborhood in Oregon, in a 2-story house surrounded by maple trees that blush red every autumn. For most of his life, John has been active. He loved mowing the lawn, fixing things around the house, and taking long evening walks with his golden retriever, Maximum. But over the past year, something began to change. One morning, as John climbed the stairs to his bedroom, he felt a sharp ache in his right knee. It wasn't unbearable, just uncomfortable. He brushed it off, thinking, maybe I slept wrong. Days turned into weeks, and the discomfort grew worse. He took painkillers, tried knee braces, and even stopped using the stairs altogether. But deep down, he felt something wasn't right. One morning, John's wife Linda began to notice the change. "Honey, you're limping again," she said gently. "Maybe it's time to get that checked out." John chuckled softly. "It's just age catching up with me. I'm fine." But he wasn't fine. Over time, John started avoiding his evening walks. He spent more time sitting, less time doing what he loved. Even small tasks, like carrying groceries, began to feel like mountains. Then came the day that changed everything. It was a bright Saturday morning when John tried to climb the stairs to fetch his dog. Halfway up, his knee gave out. He sat there, breathless, not from exertion, but from fear. That's when he finally admitted, "I need help." The next week, John visited a physiotherapy clinic in town. The clinic was bright, clean, and calm, a place filled with hope.
He met Dr. Emma Brooks, a friendly physiotherapist in her 30s with shoulder-length brown hair and warm hazel eyes. She listened carefully to his story before beginning the assessment.
Emma guided John through gentle movements, bending, stretching, standing, and walking. After a few minutes, she nodded thoughtfully. "You're showing early signs of osteoarthritis. But don't worry, we can manage this." "Osteoarthritis?" John asked. Emma smiled softly. "What you need is movement, the right kind. Your muscles are weak, and your joints are stiff. But with proper physiotherapy, you'll regain your strength." The first few sessions weren't easy. His muscles trembled, his confidence wavered. But Emma encouraged him every step. "Remember, John, movement heals. Inactivity makes pain worse." Week after week, John showed up. His strength improved, his posture straightened, and his pain faded. He learned how to move with confidence again. One day, Emma smiled and said, "You did it, John." And for the first time in months, he believed it.
After 6 weeks, John could climb the stairs again, without pain, without fear. His smile returned, and so did his confidence.
Linda watched proudly from the porch as John carried a box upstairs. "Look at you," she said, smiling. "You're stronger than ever." "Thanks to a little guidance. And a lot of movement," he replied. Now, John follows a simple home routine, stretches, short walks, and mindful posture. He's active, positive, and grateful for the lesson that changed his life. He often says to friends, "Don't let pain make you still. Movement is medicine." Pain isn't always the enemy. Sometimes, it's your body's call for attention. If you ever find yourself slowing down because of pain, remember John's story. Seek help early, keep moving, and let your body heal.
If this story inspired you, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs hope, and subscribe for more real-life healing stories. Stay strong, stay active. Your health is your greatest wealth.